Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Nissan Versa. First, locate the cruise control buttons, typically found on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/off button to activate the system. You will see a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, letting you know the system is ready to be set. This initial step prepares your vehicle for effortless highway driving. Once the system is active, accelerate your Nissan Versa to the speed you wish to maintain. For optimal performance, this is typically above 25 miles per hour. Then, simply press the set button on your steering wheel. Your vehicle will now maintain that speed automatically. The indicator light will confirm that your speed has been successfully set, allowing you to relax your foot. To adjust your speed, use the Set Plus or Set buttons. Each press will increase or decrease your speed by 1 mile per hour. Holding either button will allow for continuous, larger adjustments. If you temporarily disengage cruise control by braking, you can easily resume your last set speed by pressing the Res Plus button. This feature makes adapting to traffic flow very convenient. There are a few ways to disengage cruise control. You can press the Cancel button on your steering wheel for a temporary pause. Alternatively, simply tapping the brake pedal will also immediately disengage the system. To completely turn off cruise control, press the on/off button again. The dashboard indicator light will extinguish, confirming the system is fully off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.